What is up, everybody? Today, guys, we'll be doing a look at unboxing again. Blizzard box. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. This is going to be so awesome. Okay? It's gonna be so awesome, man. I literally grinded for a few days. I grinded for 7 days for this, I guess. Almost 7 days. I've blown off 3,000 tokens. Can I get the Santa Claus? I guess everyone's asking that. So the tropical globe and frost wrath are so impossible. It is so impossible, man. They're just so impossible. Somehow I keep getting in comments only. Snow globe, okay, I can accept that. Let's get the hot cocoa. I haven't got the hot cocoa yet. Come on, man. Give me, guys. This is so flustering. Look at the wall's gonna fluster off. Can I get the chroma? Guys, if I don't get a rare, I'm gonna freak. I'm gonna shriek. So yeah, that's who's gonna take it. Who's gonna make it? If I don't get a Santa Claus, I'm gonna freak, man. So yeah. So far I haven't got a rare. I spent almost $1,000. Well, 300 tokens. I am so flustered. Come on, give me something good. I got chocolate. I want something better. God, please give me. If I don't get the Santa Claus today, I will cry. I wish I had the chroma glitch. Holy cow! Okay, finally got a rare. No. I thought it was a chroma. I thought it was a chroma, guys. And I thought it's a $20 this year. Man, it's just so sad. I really like how they do with those details. That's pretty good. I keep getting in comments. What's up? What are the odds? Man. Fuck. If I don't even get a snowman today, oh yeah, okay. Now I just left with the epic and the legendary. It's like trying to get a king, but harder. The price is 10 tokens higher, so it's pretty. I don't know. After two new blocks and then this just happens. I'm going downhill. I can't get the Santa Claus. Guys, look, the Santa Claus is what I want. The snowman and the Santa Claus is what I want, what I need. But Frostbite and Tropical Globe is just what I want, man. Like, if you guys don't get it, it's kind of like a chroma is way higher price. If I get two, oh yeah, boy, guys, can we complete for the first time complete a box in one try? I have not done that in a long time. Wait, I have not even done that before. Like my friends just like the others just like they can one shot it. It's so weird. They can literally just one shot the Blizzard box. Well, not literally one shot. They forgot the epic, but they one shot a spooky box. I couldn't one shot. It took me 3 tries. I can't even get a haunted pumpkin. I got 2,219, guys. This is bad. I am losing tokens. Now, it's a really good try, though. For a lot of people, getting 2,000 tokens is kind of like unfair, but for the people who actually save them up, think it's really fair. Holy cow. I got a Megabot. I'm just left. I literally got, I think I almost got every single legendary. I just need a Santa Claus and a Megalodon to be finishing. I got the ghost, guys. I didn't plan, but I didn't like record it. The snowman is just good for me. It's good. It's kind of good, I guess. Unless if I get like a Santa Claus suddenly, that would be so sick. Like, you guys remember like the last opening where I opened, I split open the spooky box and then a box. It was a good day. And the box was so awesome to finish. It feels so much. The accomplishment is so high. Literally, I want one of those chromas. If I don't get a chroma, I will cry. There are a lot of people actually say that, but don't get a chroma. I'm already happy with the snowman. I never tried that before, guys. Never. Never ever. I got bruh. I got a few snowmans. Okay, so once I hit 17, 19, I will sell the extra blocks and then I'll continue. You guys don't know what is that strategy? It's actually you sell to get the money. Okay, I'm gonna sell. Man, you guys are feisty. Guys, I am only one more block to finish it up. This is so flustering. 13,000. I got 9 hot chocolates. That's so weird. And 9 holiday wreath. I got 9 gingerbread men. I guess that's good. 5 gingerbread houses. And 4 snowmans? That's good. I got 203. I lost approximately more than I have lost 900 tokens, people. Guys, I just lost 900 tokens. That's so sad. If you guys don't know what a sad, you're bad. Man, this is like so tough. To go without the fact that there are 2 chromas just waiting for you. Guys, this is so tough. There may be only 1% of a chance to get it. It took me 700 tokens just to get the king. It's the same percentage. If I spend 1,000 tokens on the Santa Claus and still don't get it back, I'm gonna rage. Like, it's just so crazy. Just to think, you have a king and you can't get the Santa Claus, even though you have more tokens than 300. This is so traumatizing. Well, not traumatizing to be say, but per se, it just really can't. I really can't explain. Like, if you like buckets and your main goal is to finish the box, you would know my pain. You would know everyone's pain. Like, if you're those guys who just love the games, I can understand you though. But if you're those guys who just play the games and have fun with it, it's really good because it won't be get insane when you kind of like You're not gonna go insane. Santa Claus, come on. You're not gonna go insane. Holy! Holy! Oh, bro! Are you guys seeing this? Guys.